The biggest brainwashing is morality, right and wrong. Oh my god.
क्या तू निराकार है कि तू साकार है? क्या तू यहाँ है कि तू वहां है? क्या तू अंदर है कि तू बाहर है?
राधा 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 राधा
हर हर महादेव, जय शिव शंभो।
Mother.
हर महादेव। Okay, so yeah. So what is this video about? In this video, what I'm doing, we are going to take today's Buddha morning, right? We are going to release one meditation, and this one is from the Truth series, which was recorded around what date? 10th July 2022. No, you were saying it was 10th.
Yes. 13th July, I think. 13th July. 13th July, Guru Purnima Day.
13th July. No.
Yeah, Guru Purnima, correct.
Okay.
2027.
So there, that is season 4, episode 11. So what we will do is, basically we will watch that episode. So there is a meditation technique mentioned by me. I mean, it's my own video only, so you'll watch that. And we had tried this before, and that same meditation, like, so whatever at that time I did as an experiment only, like, so that time I had no idea what I am doing. Like, it was just like, okay, doing something. Now I know, like, it is like developing a dharana in a certain way. So now we have named it in the similar manner: observer, speaker, concentration. So concentration is dharana, observer is parikshak, speaker is vakta. So in this one, the basic technique, we will see the video first, and we will also watch it. You guys also watch it, and we will follow the meditation instruction, and we will do the meditation. You tell something.
तो हिंदी में इसको बोलो ना कुछ तो.
आप हिंदी में आप इंग्लिश में बोलिए फिर पहले आप इंग्लिश में इंस्ट्रक्शन बता दीजिए फिर मैं हिंदी में बता दूंगा.
English.
लाइक हम क्या कर रहे हैं अभी उनको बता दो.
We have to keep one observer thought with us. You're telling about the meditation, right?
No. In the video, what are you doing? Like this video. So we are going to watch one meditation
We're going to watch
video.
the video, and along with that, we'll be meditating.
And you guys also have to meditate. So basically, that is the meditation video, which जो बेसिकली ये मेडिटेशन वीडियो हिंदी में बता देते हैं यार मतलब हिंदी में बताना इनको. ये ट्रुथ सीरीज सत्य क्या है उसका जो सीरीज हमने इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर किया था 2022 के अंदर. तो अराउंड ये बोले 13 जुलाई 2022 के अंदर ये एपिसोड रिलीज किया था. तो 3 साल हो गए मतलब.
आपको नहीं पता था ना वो गुरु पूर्णिमा.
वो तो गुरु पूर्णिमा थी ना. अभी तो ये क्या चल रहा है मई है ना. ये तो मई
ये बुद्ध पूर्णिमा है.
हाँ तो एक और पूर्णिमा के बाद आएगा वो. एक पूर्णिमा का गैप है. वो गुरु पूर्णिमा का दिन है 13th. चलो ठीक है वो जो भी जैसा भी दिन है. अभी मेन चीज क्या है कि अब उस वाली वीडियो को देखेंगे और वो इंग्लिश के अंदर है वैसे. क्योंकि उसके अंदर वो ट्रुथ सीरीज के अंदर मैंने ऐसे किया था कि एक सीजन पूरा हिंदी के अंदर किया था एक सीजन पूरा इंग्लिश के अंदर किया था. तो वो ये वाला सीजन जो जहाँ से मेडिटेशन की टेक्निक हम आज ट्राई कर रहे हैं ये पूरा इंग्लिश के अंदर है. सो इसको हम देखेंगे इस वीडियो को और उसके अंदर जो टेक्निक बताई है उसको फॉलो करेंगे और बाद में उसको हम अभी तुम उसको डायरेक्टली करो और बाद में हम उसको एनालाइज करके उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे कि एक्चुअली में ये काम कैसे कर रहा था. हो क्या रहा था तुमने क्या किया था एक्चुअली के अंदर. ठीक है
शुरू करते हैं.
पानी पी लेते सारा. यही है मेडिटेशन. चलो शुरू करते हैं इसको ना. फिर इसको हटाएंगे वो वीडियो चलाएंगे इसके ऊपर ना.
So hello guys, this is the 11th episode and today I have something experimental in mind to try. So this is like very common practice I think and very accepted practice also. People have started using it for sleeping. So but the basic technique is like guided meditation or what you say. Hello guys, this is the 11th episode and today I have something experimental in mind to try. What I am doing is not guided meditation. Like very common. What I will be doing is kind of very accepted practice also. Tracing what is happening with me while I am meditating in those 15 minutes, okay? And I will try to see it as impartially as possible and like express it. So just be with me. So there is no technique, nothing, okay? So where do we start it from? So usually when I do it earlier, but I have found out like going through like material or YouTube, like there is a better way of doing it. So basically you start from, I mean that's basically, it should be intuitive, but a lot of people it is not intuitive. So where do you start from? You start from awareness. I think that's a very good word, like awareness. Awareness, what is awareness? Right now, what are you doing? Are you aware? Yes. If you are aware of it, then obviously you are aware of it. But even if you are not aware of it, what you are doing, then at least you are aware that you are not aware. So there can be no situation in which you are not aware. Either you will be in thoughts or your physical body sensations, that is doesn't matter. But you are aware of something. You are aware of some feeling, you are aware of some memory, you are aware of something, okay? Always at any moment. You cannot be a complete void or like a dark hole. So let's try. Just sit simply and just see where that awareness is going. And don't try to just treat like everything is awareness. I think that model of clouds works best at this time. So the thoughts or like feelings or like sensations will come like clouds and you just have to, I don't know, Just see them. Or maybe if you want to react, you can react also. So I will just trace all of it for you, okay? Let's see how it works. So if I sit like that, I am aware of this state as a body. I can listen the sounds of birds, but I am not able to listen them on the eardrums. Basically, I am bypassing the physical model. I am directly hearing it into my brain. So it means my physical awareness is not there. My right leg, it has like some problem. The ground is slightly hard, so I can feel that. I can hear the sounds. Somebody is coming. So this one was like a hurricane of thoughts. There were like so many thoughts combined, like a cluster. So it's like a big boss. So like so much happened in that moment. If I first like hear the sounds, I process them so fast. It's like, okay, male, female, this age, everything got tagged once I just with the sound in my mind. And then like, should I look, should I not look, is it urgent, is it not urgent, does it require my attention, can I keep sitting without any problem, am I not violating any laws, and you know, so much goes on like in that second. And when they just passed by me, it was like energy sphere has passed by you and you just kept sitting aware and not interacting with it. And I am aware. I am also aware that I am making a video and I am doing it all for the experiment. Let's see where this awareness goes. This awareness is basically what in Hindi people described as man. So man is it goes in any direction. So instead of putting it a control like a leash over it and trying to act it in a like orderly manner, like from top to bottom, what I am doing is I am just following it wherever it is going. So it is going towards the dark place, I am going in the dark place. It is going towards in a light place, I am going in the light place. I feel like my the back is not completely rooted. Like my back is not completely straight. There is a certain problem with the weight distribution. Like it is, I need more hold. So if I put my strap, actually the belly strap down, that might help in like keeping the back straight. I'm aware of this sound. The sound is mixed. Here there is urgency, there is a high pitch frequency which is like irritable to ear also, and that is why it is a warning sound, because it is irritating. Anything irritating becomes much more pronounced. I mean, if it was a pleasant sound, people will be just, yeah, give me more of it. They don't want it. They don't want to make you feel pleasant, because it shows caution. It's like when there is a sign like this road is closed, like don't go there. It's like that. It needs to be visible so that you can stop your car. But I think it is like used too much. That's why our sensitivity is so. That's why the ear sensitivity has decreased so much. I cannot hear the sound at the eardrums at all. I can feel the wind, and I can feel my cloth hanging over my body. It's like a weight. And I'm sitting. So right now, like if I completely shut my eyes, like if there is a complete darkness, what do you think is around me? What am I experiencing? Do you understand? I am experiencing that I am sitting in nowhere. Like other than the place I am sitting, I don't know if there is any place on this earth. So the feeling that even if I topple like one right side like this, and if I fall in like a ditch or something, I'm aware of my touch, where I am touching the ground, the parts of my feet, mostly because of slightly pain, but also because of sensation. I can feel some vibrations there. I feel like my neck is slightly twisted in the forward direction, like my head is not straight. It was like something submissive. I'm not trying to focus on anything particular. I'm just following the thought. Let's see where it goes. Wherever it goes, I will tell you. Whether it is vulgar or whatever, I don't care. It's the thought. There is nothing in life which vulgar, like more vulgar than what you have, like what human is doing. Everything is for sale. From literally your physical kidneys to your sensations of your body, everything is for sale, for money. So I'm going through this intellectual like loop now. Like my mind or whatever, like my awareness is more concentrated on my mind parts now. So it has lost, what you say, or it has like not interested in the body anymore. So it's like a thought trip. You keep thinking about something and then you like, yeah, it's like a story you're thinking in your mind, or like a dream. Like a story in your dream, right? And then you're like, oh, it's interesting. What happened then? What happened then? That's what's happening right now. I need to lose like my outer coverings, because then my skin will become more sensitive. Because these coverings, I'm not able to feel the sun like sensation. That would have helped me in keeping it myself in my body. I'm hearing some music. It's like a traditional music. It's not modern, it's like a tribal. Like the one we use in our like weddings in India. My back is hurting slightly because the posture is not straight. It is not balanced, otherwise it won't hurt so much. I'm not aware if some thoughts are not coming just because they know that I am on live. So unconsciously I am suppressing some patterns because if they come and I say it directly, might not make for a good video. That was like around 10 minutes. You see, so that basically what I did was I tracked my own mind. That's how your awareness goes. Or if you sit in meditation, it won't be like same like me, because I have different set of memory collections, right? My collection of memories are different. So the way I react to a voice of a female, if a female is meditating, she might react or she might have a different model. You understand? So for me, it is like, okay, female, oh, attraction. But if a female, it's not like female attraction. Maybe it is like, oh, female competitor. You know, it's like the other part of the puzzle that you have collected by yourself. The trigger might be same, but the other part, everybody has it like their own personal way. So this was just uncontrolled awareness. Now, do you understand the problem? The problem with most of this is this uncontrolled awareness goes to places which scares you. This, whatever we call, is like mind, man. So hello guys, this is the 11th episode, and today I have something
Har Har Mahadev. Jai Shiv Shambhu. This, when we record, when we actually studied it first, like in the morning or yesterday, then we observed like what it's doing to us. Basically, we observed like what this thing is doing. So we observed that. So then we arrived at like, so what is it doing? Like, so it's creating like a observer speaker dharana or observer speaker kind of concentration. Concentration means basically what are you concentrating? When you are saying, I am concentrating, I am focusing, give me some time.
Some object is there.
No, what is the element that you are concentrating? When in the mental world you say you are concentrating, what do you concentrate? नहीं अभी रुको.
Mental world, if I'm telling that I'm concentrating, it's like I don't want the thoughts to come. Like I want to concentrate on the object of focus. Like thoughts, I just like have to ignore the thoughts, like because that's not.
No. Right now, let's say this only. So he came and say like Baba. So like, was your concentration broken? So what is concentration? That's why I'm asking.
I'm trying to pay my attention into something.
So your attention you are concentrating. That's why I ask you. No, what is the element that you concentrate? Concentration means like इकट्ठा करना, right? Focus. Like you are concentrating something. Like this is a concentrated solution. It's like इकट्ठा कर रहे हो ना किसी चीज को एक साथ, essence को like. So what are you concentrating? That I am saying like. So in this one you are concentrating attention. You are saying attention is the element. Attention is the tattva. So you are concentrating your attention. That is dharana. any dharana, concentration of the attention. So this specific one, like when I did it, like as an experiment only, then I realized this one, like, okay, so this one is basically what it is doing. It's like concentrating in the attention, but it is creating like, okay, like this one watching attention I create, and then I attach, like I speak it out also.
Whatever is happening, whatever you're observing.
So basically, this observation and the speaker thought is simultaneous, the signal is happening.
Yeah.
Like whatever it is observing,
It has
this
to speak
observer
out.
thought is observing, it is speaking out.
Yeah.
So that's why we call it observer speaker concentration.
So basically everything is observed is spoken out.
Yes. So one observer thought you develop, and with that observer thought you attach like a audio or speaker, like. So that is the additional kriya that you have to do.
So observer thought matlab what? Observer.
So like when you say like I am sitting for the meditation, and then you say like okay, I am starting my meditation now, and then now I will do 108 malas. So what is that first thought from where? Like how do you know this started the counting?
Okay.
That means there was something continuous that you are starting from there, and it will end after 108. So it means there is some thought which is keeping the track of that time. Something is there, no, something continuous which tells you like okay, now 107 has happened.
Okay.
So that one is observing, no, that one is sitting on the side and observing
Yes.
you.
Yes.
So it's like your own version of you keep stationary at a one point of time. And that version of you then observes the other version of you moving in a way. That is like observer thought.
Okay. It's like someone is sitting and observing you.
Because otherwise you come at a contradiction. That how come I am doing and observing at the same time? And when then I'm doing and observing, that gap eliminates. So the entire yoga process is this only, eliminating this gap. Doing and observing gap.
The doer goes up.
Or we become the doer and the observer goes off.
Yes.
Or we constantly become the observer only and the doer goes off. What are you observing if there is nothing to observe? Like, you need to do something, not to observe. Like,
Yes.
so इसको क्या बताएंगे? Like, इसको फिर आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? Like, आपने किया ये? आपने बोला तो नहीं लेकिन.
नहीं हम वो बोल नहीं पाते थे वो जब भी वो observer once it started couldn't speak out.
मतलब आपका ऑब्जर्वर थॉट डेवलप होने के बाद आप बोल ही नहीं पाते हो, तो आप ये कर ही नहीं पाओगे. ये धारणा प्रेक्षक वक्ता धारणा. ऑब्जर्वर प्रेक्षक मतलब प्रेक्षक मतलब जो इन्विजिलेटर बेसिकली. So some invigilator which is basically keeping watch over everything like.
So mentally thought create कर पाए लेकिन मुंह के द्वारा वो नहीं आया.
मुंह के द्वारा नहीं आया.
Like suppose like एक observer ना starting observation start हुआ तो meditation start हुआ तो एक feeling आया okay एक मक्खी आई यहाँ. So that thought is created but it was not spoken out. इसको भी observer प्रेक्षक धारणा बता सकते हैं क्या? Can we call it that?
Everything is that only, no. So everything you have to look at in one dharana only. You have to like involve like. So right now also you should do it. You say observer pressure dharana is very useful because in the real life talking also you can do it.
Okay. Okay.
Like मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ, बट मैं ये बात करने को तो ऑब्जर्व कर सकता हूँ. जब इस धारणा के अंदर मैंने बोलना तो कनेक्ट करके देख ही लिया था.
मेरा रिएक्शन भी I can see.
हाँ. Now don't go further into dhyan, okay? Stay here. Dharana only we are teaching today. Because for you it's difficult to stop only. You will go ध्यान only next time.
ध्यान होगा इसमें भी.
नहीं नहीं इसमें अभी ये धारणा जो है ना बेसिकली हम तुमको समझाएंगे अभी लाइक अच्छे तरीके से लाइक आईपैड के ऊपर ना कि ये धारणा होती क्या है हिंदी इंग्लिश के अंदर पूरा और जैसे मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस था मैं तो लाइक क्योंकि वो विटनेस कॉन्शियसनेस में ही रहता हूँ तो मेरे को लाइक वो चीज तो भूल ही नहीं सकता तुम लाइक दैट यू आर ऑलवेज ऑब्जर्विंग
Yes.
so it's like I have to cultivate a separate observer in your mind.
Same here.
Huh. So I have to do it. But most of the people will be starting from like the different side. So they have to do it. Like they have to put efforts into doing it, right? So we will understand this on iPad actually, okay? So we will see first, okay, if we speak on the iPad, where is iPad here? No, this one is not taking that one. So okay, we here tools we see. Oh no, this is the only one, no? Real time screen will do. Okay, now it is fine. Okay, now we do this one. No, three tools done. Now do it like this. Okay, then do the transition. हर हर महादेव उसमें बहुत जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा लेकिन क्लैरिटी के लिए चलो ठीक है इसको फिर ना क्लोज से लेते हैं इसको पास चलते हैं वहाँ पे ओके तो यहाँ पे अब आपको एक्सप्लेन करते कि होता क्या है अब देखो आप अभी प्रेजेंट में जी रहे हो कि किस में जी रहे हो अभी सबसे बेसिक चीज क्या होती है ना कि क्या प्रेजेंट ही सिर्फ चीज है कि पास्ट और प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर भी है
प्रेजेंट ही है
लेकिन फिर पास्ट और फ्यूचर क्या है
थॉट्स है अब नहीं है अब क्या है अब सिर्फ प्रेजेंट है
नहीं अब लेकिन वो ये क्या क्या एबिलिटी है ये फिर ये पास्ट और प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर लगे ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट करने की लाइक दिस इज प्रेजेंट ही है
उससे थॉट प्रोजेक्शन ही होता है ना देयर इज नथिंग एल्स देयर देन प्रोजेक्टिंग योर थॉट लाइक पास्ट ये हुआ था मेमोरी से प्रोजेक्ट करना
नहीं मैं वही तो बोला हूँ तुम भी तो मेमोरी ही हो ना लाइक आई एम सेइंग लाइक ऑल ऑफ यू द एंटायर ह्यूमन एग्जिस्टेंस इज मेमोरी ओनली so what is this past and future so basically is it like you are cultivating one thought of observation only there like that's how you can remember your past memories
yes
right now I am saying you are in present only then I say your past memories what are you doing
I'm observing what happened in the past like from the memory
no past was never there what happened in the past was never there what happened in the present only there that's why I was asking no that's why I ask you this question like is the past and the future is there or not like right now when I say observe your past memories so what is that observation like so what is that happening is like in a way your entire experience of being is getting stored in your body like this experience which you are getting from the outside nature ध्यान में मत जाओ अभी so your entire experience of being gets stored in there no like so in that one it's like what we call this entire body is only a memory register only, like where the moment of this energy is getting stored. What is not you?
What is not you, matlab?
Like you, what is you? Let's say your body you are calling as you.
Okay.
So what is not you? That interacting with you. So what is the interaction sign like this way?
Which is not me, is interacting with me.
Here. And you are just like the memory repository on that only. Like let's say if I touch you. So what is happening? From here only like something like this touched you like here. Some impression came. So what do you store as a memory? So now when I say like, okay, that you store this as a memory only, what is that you do? Like so right now they say my touch, how did you store that in memory?
It just happened, like.
Okay, so this goes deeper only. We will go later on.
That's
We'll do it,
right.
like this goes too deep otherwise. Now I am saying no, this technique you can use like to observe everything like. So all of this final final stuff also you can observe like this observation technique, no dharana technique. So but what I was doing is like basically this state you need to reach in yoga. This is the state you need to reach where the observer and the doer becomes one. That you are perfectly observing everything that is happening in you. And for that we have various dharanas basically. Dharanas means like so let's say okay human life no let's use this diagram only. So let's this diagram only energy wise if you only look at it. So let's say this is like one energy ball like this.
हमारा शरीर.
हाँ. So then I was telling the basic technique of dharana, no. So we will discuss that for some time so that people understand all of that because बहुत सारे लोग तो जानते ही नहीं है धारणा ये सब क्या है. तो ये बहुत सारे लोग तो अभी तक विश्वास ही नहीं करते कि स्पिरिचुअलिटी भी कुछ होती है. because आज ये पागल जमाना चल रहा है ना मतलब अंधों का जमाना. जबकि ये बहुत ही एविडेंट है मतलब ये जो कि हमेशा हमेशा करते हैं हम इस चीज को.
Without knowing.
Without knowing we are doing it. Just that's it like. So what we are is actually like this experience only. If we call ourselves as physical. Like when we are born as a child. So basically something was conscious, which means like basically it knew that this is me. Means that it start becoming conscious of like this interaction. Now this interaction happens with like 5 Gyanendri and 5 Karmendri like 5 like input you take no inside and 5 output you do. The 5 input this body basically 5 ways it can interact with the outside. So that we have created like 5 kind of sensors. So like this is one suit we create like for this body first like then we add one cameras on the top. Then we add one mic here, microphone. Like this is the formula how basically people can really create like matrix or something like that. Because finally human experience is this only. If you give this human input, you will never know like if somebody touched you or you only got the input of the touch because you never know the difference only anyways. So यदि तुमको सूट पहना दिया and the suit only sends you the signal that okay that somebody is touching you, that's it. You just need to mimic the signal only.
उसी से तो इंटरप्रेट करते हैं.
तो धारणा के अंदर होता क्या है ना कि अब ये जो इंसान है ना, वो अपनी कॉन्शियसनेस में बहुत ऐसे से तीन स्टेट में जाता है मोस्टली. लाइक एक बार वो सोचता है कि ये बॉडी है, फिर एक बार वो सोचता है कि वो ये है, ये मेंटल बॉडी है, मेंटल इमेज. मतलब जब वो वेकिंग अप स्टेट में रहता है तो वो समझता है कि ये बॉडी है, ठीक है, फिजिकल बॉडी. You can look at like physical body and mental body also, or physical body and mental image. Like if you start from here like this, we assume that this is the reality. Like when you are sleeping, you don't realize you are a body, no? Like, so what is this moment like? So if you say like this human, this form, his everyday we track, his cycles we track basically to see the repetition. Then I see, okay, generally a human basic cycle is 0 to 70. In 0 to 70, what does this guy do? Is like there's a day marker in which like they they wake up and do something action and their eyes open up. Like as a scientist, you are observing. And then they close the eyes and then the movement also decreases. Something happens to them. Then they again open up the eyes and then again they keep moving activities and something they are doing. Then again they are closing the eyes and this cycle is repeating actually.
स्टेट्स वाला डिफरेंट स्टेट्स वाला cycle.
Like every day we are doing it, right? Every human being is doing it. But in this one also, like how are we moving our thoughts? Like that what we need to track. So this is how the gross movement of like attention is happening, you can say. And it is happening by itself for most of the people.
Autopilot.
Autopilot mode, zombie mode. So now this is the basic cycle now. So after this cycle, then you start tracking the cycles in the human life basically. Like this is the basic cycle of the attention. Then you start tracing like, okay, how many times you are drinking tea basically in this one. So in waking up state, how many times you are repeating the same action again and again.
Okay.
Like in this one also you are eating food. Then you are going out to loo also every day. Like every day you are sleeping means every day you are changing consciousness. You are sleeping means what? You are actually changing the consciousness. You are changing the attention from your physical body to your mental image or your mental body. सूक्ष्म शरीर, स्थूल शरीर से सूक्ष्म शरीर में चले जाते हैं जब हम सोते हैं. तो तब हम रहते तो हैं बट हम हमारा शरीर का ये वाला इनपुट नहीं समझ में आता हमें. तब हमारा शरीर कौन सा होता है एक्चुअली, हमको फिर कौन से इनपुट से इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं हम. इस वाले इनपुट से तो इंटरेक्ट नहीं करते तब हम.
So mental तो कुछ तो input mentally might be getting, right?
सो मेंटली बेसिकली तब हो क्या रहा है, लाइक तुम्हारा लाइफ इज लाइक कि ये फिजिकल डब्बा है तुम्हारा है ना. ये फिजिकल डब्बे के अंदर अज्यूम करो कि कुछ है ऐसे लाइक सूक्ष्म करंट है, ठीक है. वो सूक्ष्म करंट इस डब्बे को चलाता है. मतलब कि ये करंट जैसे काम करता है वैसे ये रोबोट के हाथ पैर चलते हैं. समझे?
हाँ.
तो अब पहले तो तुम यहाँ पे अपने आप को फील कर रहे थे, जो कि तुम अपने आप को ये मान रहे थे.
अब इसका सेंसेशन चला
गया. जब तुम स्लीपिंग स्टेट में जाते हो तो तुमको कुछ और सेंसेशन फील होता है. तो तुमको बेसिकली इस फिजिकल बॉडी की सेंसेशन फील हो रही है, इस मेंटल बॉडी की, लाइक इस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट वाली की, और वो बॉडी है तुम्हारी. और तुम उस टाइम पे सिर्फ वही हो एक्चुअली में.
उस डब्बे में क्या है उसका I will interact with that. The interaction happens because
this dabba is stationary now. Or the dabba is vibrating at a continuous something like you say your heartbeat, it is vibrating something continuous, and your blood flow is also vibrating like this. but only you have put your attention to your mind basically. So here in your human body is like this mind is also where this dabba, like this processing happens,
Hmm.
and all of this is has tentacles and like this basically. So this will be your sharir at that time. Or like your sukshma body sharir basically, where the fine signal work is happening. Like now you are not doing the gross signal work of this movement, but something is still moving, no?
Hmm.
Is it not? If movement is life, then we start tracking the movement only to understand the source of life.
Yes.
So then this physical movement is stopped. And in sleeping, everyone does it. But the same technique in yoga, we do it consciously. We understand that if movement is stopped, then we can trace the source of the movement. So why am I moving? In the physical, I am moving because I have the thought of movement. So then I trace the thought. Where is the thought coming from? Then one thought is coming from another thought, one thought is coming from another thought. Then I keep tracking the like the chain. अब पुलिस वाले तो ऐसे करते हैं ना पकड़ने के लिए चोर को, लाइक ट्रेस करो इसका पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है, इसने इसका पैसा भेजा है, इसने इसका पैसा भेजा है, कहीं से तो आ रहा होगा, लाइक. So you trace the movement of it, like. So when you are in sleeping state, what is your body experience like? What are you like?
If there is a dream,
You will be this only. You are interacting with the outside. So see, even like here in the neurons and everywhere, how the signal is produced. Generally, in the waking up state, how it is produced. Like you, like this comes, and then this goes to this neuron, and then this signal goes here. Like that's how you know someone touched you. Like this is a gross signal. Then it converts into like fine signal, then neuron signal, then electricity signal goes to central nervous system. So basically, your central nervous system is like a miniature version of you stored. So every gross input will be stored in a subtle form there. In your physical body, it will stored in a gross input or a gross experience. Like if somebody touches you with like hot, if I say, like I burn your hand. So in your physical body, it will be stored as a burn mark. But in mental body, how it will be stored?
stored as a pain.
No, but stored as a like a signal only, no, here. Like when your burn mark you are having, so the subtle signal of that burn mark you were receiving, and that was the pain.
Oh,
So there is basically like this physical body memory of it and mental body memory of it. And your mental body is this only, like. And so when you are sleeping, that time also if somebody touches you, you are getting recorded. So in a way, like in some neuron signal will come, and maybe it will alter your this processing, but you won't even realize. Maybe you will realize it as a dream only.
why I wouldn't even realize?
See, right now here, when you are in the waking up state, I play a speaker here. Then this speaker is going to your microphone speaker. Microphone sensor. Speaker I'm saying. Microphone sensor. So then from the microphone sensor it goes to your brain. Then the signal gets converted into the fine signal, and it is got converted to the brain as an electric signal. Is it not? So when you are sleeping, what is happening? So then also this signal is going, it is going happening here, and then this is also happening,
It's not that
and
I
this
block
is happening
during
here.
sleep, yeah.
What is happening? Only you are aware that this relation you are not aware, because you are only aware that you are this much. So you get dreams, but you don't know how you are dreaming, because this is completely darkness for you. So in mind, if you say like in your dreams way, like this will be your body, like somewhere you in your neurons, like whatever electricity is forming, no, that will be conscious, like that movement. So that will be your body, something like whatever your neuron diagram, like this, like this will be you. This will be you thinking as a body. And then this anything external will come to you as external only. You won't realize that you have a larger body and this is coming here as an input.
The physical sensation part is cut off.
But the physical sensation is still getting delivered to you through
Delivered
mental.
to you, but I'm not aware of it.
The consciousness part is cut off. The attention part is cut off. So basically, when you are going from the waking up state to the sleeping state, so what you are doing? Nothing you are doing in the body. Only thing you are changing is your attention state. So can you be lying down and in waking up state? Can you be eyes closed and waking up state? Right? So waking up state is not associated with anything physical. You can be lying down, eyes closed and everything, and still in the waking up state. So what is really waking and sleeping state? Is the moment of the attention only. Okay, this you leave. This is useful when I explain people siddhis and everything, because if you understand this, then you will understand siddhis. Because then you will understand, no, when you are dreaming, it's not really dreaming. Is someone basically input of the world only. You are still interacting with the world. But you are interacting with the world only in a very sukshma form, because your attention you have reduced.
Yeah, now it's
Then you will be
confined
able to do telepathy, send signals, because then you understand. Like any thought is not a thought. It's a kind of like interacting with the universe continuously. No thought comes like that only because we understood this diagram, no?
It's
Earlier.
like my attention span is confined to this part only, like that.
See, this diagram you understand now. Outside, this is only your human experience. So outside this only, whatever is happening, you are experiencing. So even that in the mental state also, whatever outside only you are happening, you are experiencing. What is not you.
Correct.
So in the thought world also, you are experiencing that.
Yes.
How can it be possible? It cannot be possible without science, like that you are not experiencing. That only you are experiencing, because नहीं तो equation ही balance नहीं होंगी. Only thing you are moving is your attention actually. Okay, so this we will do. So now this dharana we will discuss. Okay, so how much time you have spent? You know how much time you have spent in recording all of this? 53 minutes. Now this has become like a big episode only. It's very good, informative. So they will learn everything. Because dharana also they will understand कि धारणा क्या होती है. कितने सारी चीजें इससे सीखेंगे ना ये. तो अभी अब इस वाले एपिसोड पे आ जाते हैं कि हमने जो सीखा ना ये वाला धारणा जो हमने बनाया, और बोलने वाला भी. अब इसको बोलते जाते हैं और करते जाते हैं. ऑब्जर्वर स्पीकर धारणा, ऑब्जर्वर स्पीकर कंसंट्रेशन. इसमें हमको क्या करना है कि हमको बेसिकली अपनी ओन एग्जिस्टेंस को ट्रैक करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, बेसिकली हम अपना एक पार्ट ऐसे बिठा देंगे ऑब्जर्वर की तरह, और उस पर दूसरे पार्ट को बोलेंगे कि तू मूवमेंट कर. जैसे एक पार्ट मेरा ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है, जो कि मैंने वहीं पे स्टेशनरी छोड़ दिया, वो पार्ट ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है कि हाँ अभी मैं बात कर रहा हूं. अब वो फिर से ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है, अब वो पार्ट साथ में भी घूम रहा है मेरे. अब कितने कितने ड्यूरेशन में मैं ऑब्जर्वर और स्पीकर वाले अलग अलग उसमें जा रहा हूं, वो मेरी धारणा का इंटेंसिटी दिखाता है कि मैं कितने टाइम तक ये ग्रीन वाला बन जाता हूं डूअर। रुक जाओ, उस पे पेन बोलेंगे लोग, फिर पेन नहीं है सर, सर बड़ा पेन यूज किया करो सर, दिख नहीं रहा है सर। सो मेनी कंप्लेंट्स पीपल डू, यू नो। ये तो लाइव स्ट्रीम की तरह रिकॉर्ड कर दिया ना, मतलब ये तुमको लाइव स्ट्रीम का एपिसोड मिल गया है, तुम लोग बहुत लकी हो। फ्री में मिलेगा उनको, लाइक उनको मिलना था सिर्फ मेडिटेशन। तो अब जैसे ये डूअर बन गया, अब ये रेड वाला जो है वो क्या बन गया, ऑब्जर्वर। और ये रेड वाला ऑब्जर्व भी करता रहेगा और बोलता भी रहेगा। तो बेसिकली तुम्हारी अपनी पर्सनैलिटी को या तुम्हारे ओन बीइंग को, और अभी बेसिकली तुम्हारे ओन मेंटल स्पेस को या तुम्हारी मेंटल बॉडी को तुम दो भागों में डिवाइड कर रहे हो।
Okay.
You get it? This is all we are doing right now. No, we are doing something. I am writing, I am doing, and I am observing and I am speaking about it. So how much time you spend in this one, like that you can say, like, so in the doer mode, let's say you spent this much time, and then the observer thoughts activate itself. Then it was like, okay, I'm observing and speaking about the experience now. Now I am become the doer again. Then I am observing and speaking about the experience again. That's only how it will happen, no? In the technique wise, if you really look at it, like.
Yes. So when this observer goes on speaking, so is there a place where then observer starts speaking less and less? Like after long duration again he speaks. Like what does the duration mean?
So see, this doer, no. So this observer is also doing something, but it is only doing the work of observer and speaker basically. Right now also it is observer and speaker. It needs to become a pure observer in the state of pure dharana, which is just pure observation. So in that one, you don't do anything. You don't speak also, like. So either this observer thought is basically like a sutradhar. It's like something you start, like any, like let's say you are 40 minutes of your mental life, you want to observe. What will you do? 40 minutes of your mental body you want to observe. So you will make your physical body stationary. You're like, okay, only the mental body I will observe. And how will you observe? So you will make one thought as an observer thought. Okay, like this thought should remain continuous from this to, let's say, 21 minutes. So basically your observer thought or your prekshak thought. You are activating. And that you are observing all of your mental turbulence. Like whatever is happening on the top of it is like, this thought came, that happened, that happened, that happened, that happened. The entire drama that is happening on top of it, you are tracing.
Is it possible that I become like...
But this time, this is not the pure observer thought. This is pure dharana. Pure observer dharana. I mean, this time the observer is not just the observer. He is the observer also, but he is doing certain stuff also. Like this time, he is not doing. He is doing is also observing only. So right now, but most of the people will start from this state. You are like advanced person only, no? That's why you ask advanced questions, right? Then most of the people will start with this state only, like doer and observer speaker. So in between, they will forget only like what to observe. Then we'll come back again to the observer
that's
thought.
what I'm saying.
They will become the doer.
Yes. That's
Then
what
they'll observe. Okay, last 1 minute में मैंने क्या क्या किया था? Oh, ये क्या था?
हाँ वही
And then they will do it. Then they will again forget and become the doer. Then they will again become the observer. So observer and speaker is the main thought that you are cultivating here. So you can keep doing while speaking also. So this is very effective actually. Right now also you can keep doing dharana. Once you cultivate that, it will be very easy like for you to do narrations and long, because then you build dharana and your clarity will also be there. And you can keep speaking also in front of large groups and everything. Because you can observe your own fear also, no?
Yes, but it's like it stops. Like now I'm observing, right? When I'm talking, it's like there is no need to talk. What is that? Like you observe your own like thought, and then it's like there's no.
No, you create it as a dharana only that you have to do this.
I have to do this.
You have to speak.
You like fully consciously like I'll speak.
Yeah. You go in Samadhi only directly. But this is the basic of it basically. The technique, how it works, this is the basis of it. This is the basis of any dharana. In any dharana, you need to cultivate an observer thought और प्रेक्षक विचार जो देखता रहे, जो इन्विजिलेटर हो, लाइक देखता रहे, बच्चे चीटिंग तो नहीं कर रहे हैं, दूसरे विचारों को देखता रहे ना, तो देखेगा कौन? एक विचार को देखने के लिए दूसरा एक देखने वाला विचार हम कल्टीवेट कर रहे हैं बेसिकली.
Mind observing itself. Basically.
Mind observing itself is dharana.
Now this is different type of.
That's why I say, it is like mental body and mental body too only. Who is doing all of this? That we are not asking right now. Okay. Who is even dividing this into mental one and mental two? Nah. Then it becomes witness consciousness. That is, everything is witness there. Then you don't need to do anything for that. But here we are teaching as a technique only. Like people will start from this only, like. So slowly from there, like their observer and speaker, they will start observing their doership more. So what will happen slowly, like in their life, if you see like these green patches, like doership patches and observer speaker patches. If they keep doing this dharana, let's say they did it for small time this time. Like this is their daily life I'm tracing. Like let's say 2 times a day, or like how do you want to do? So your daily life is like this.
The doer becomes smaller and smaller. Observer stays small.
So then this will expand basically. Your red area will expand. Your observation will expand this side also, like. Because this is variable and this is continuous basically.
But now it is.
So in the larger observation also, you'll start making your observation. So you go back towards the witness consciousness basically, which is the goal. The yoga and yoga, no, you're doing. Consciousness only we are uniting basically. So that everything is observed. So this is the one dharana.
Observer is also observed.
And in the end, observer will also be observed. So that is the transition point from dharana to dhyana. When only observer is observing itself.
So that you slip into dhyana.
Then you slip into dhyana. Now there is nothing, no vishaya also to observe, like. And then when that also will be gone, then it will be samadhi. Okay, everything is clear. एपिसोड में हिंदी इंग्लिश सब मिल गया तुमको, आवाज भी सही आई होगी. जोर जोर से बोला मैंने, जोर जोर से बोलने के लिए इतना एनर्जी स्पेंड किया मैंने. बट ये सारे चीज समझ में आ गई तुमको, थ्योरी वगैरह, इसको हिंदी में बताना हो, कुछ और इसको समराइज करना हो. ऑब्जर्वर, स्पीकर, कंसंट्रेशन समझ में आ गया तुमको. अब तुम इसकी प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकती हो अपने डेली लाइफ में अपने साथ भी. जब भी तुम मेरे से बात कर रही हो, तुम ऑब्जर्वर, स्पीकर, कंसंट्रेशन का यूज करते रहना. कि तुम बात भी कर पाओ और तुम ऑब्जर्व भी करते रहो उसको. तो तुम काम भी कर पाओगी, कर्म भी कर पाओगी, बट तुम लाइक ध्यान में भी रहोगी, तुम्हारी साधना भी चलती रहेगी. प्रेक्षक, वक्ता, धारणा. So this is first technique that we have done. We will do more techniques like this. Like courses also we are doing, like that one, like Ashtanga Yodha. So this like full-time courses also we are planning and launching everything, like all the syllabus and everything. So everything will be taught to you only, like all the ancient, like whatever this is you used to do, and all the techniques, and then like how the like attention really moves. Because finally everything is about just witness only. If you can witness it, you can understand it and learn it. So that key, if anyone understands, if anyone creates the witness consciousness first, then every knowledge becomes like it needs to witness only. It will understand. So I just need to witness the meditation or any technique by myself. Then I can tell how it is working only. हर हर महादेव, जय श्री शंभो। अब इसको चला देंगे आउटरो तुम लोगों के लिए। एपिसोड तो आया ही नहीं देवी जी। आ गया। अब चला दे राधा राधा। अब ये माइक बंद कर दे।
The biggest brainwashing is morality. Right and wrong. Oh my God.
क्या तू निराकार है कि तू साकार है? क्या तू यहाँ है कि तू वहां है? क्या तू अंदर है कि तू बाहर है?